These pictures show the damage. Her car was on fire and burning fast. Tonight, the pregnant woman is telling us how she and her small child escaped just in time. Channel 11's Jennifer Tomazic joins us live. And Jennifer, I understand it was a warning from a stranger that may have saved her life.
Absolutely, and thank goodness this family is okay enough to share this story with us. They tell me that they were driving down 43 near Brownsville when suddenly a few minutes later they literally watched their car get eaten by flames. And as you mentioned, yes, the only reason they even got out of the car in the first place is that they heard someone yelling at them from across the freeway.
She's like, get out the car, your car's on fire.
And Alexis Wadsworth captured the flames once she was safe along 43 and shared the video with Channel 11. When she and her husband and 2-year-old daughter were inside their SUV yesterday, she says they heard a pop but only saw smoke coming from the hood. She says they didn't think much of it, but once they got out.
2 seconds later, state trooper comes up behind, our car. And because it was on fire underneath, he was able to see it. So he's yelling, get down the road, get down the road, get down the road, get away from the car.
She told Channel 11 he called the fire department, and as the pregnant mother and her family backed away, in just a matter of minutes, she saw this.
Not even 5 minutes later, the car caught, and it hit the engine, and it just went right up in flames. Smoke, flames everywhere. By the time the firefighters got there, within 10 minutes, it was engulfed. The whole front of my car was engulfed.
As Alexis watched helplessly, she thanks the woman who yelled at them from across the freeway.
If she would have not told us that we had smoke coming out the back or flames out the back, we would have blew up. I wouldn't be talking to you right now.
And I'm glad that they are okay and were able to share their story with us. Now, Alexis tells me that she already has a lemon law case open against this car because it overheated in the past. Reporting live this evening, Jennifer Tomazic, Channel 11 News.